Hey guys, Legit Finance here, and whenever I have updates, I'll be the first to share them with you. This is called TastyCo, and it's a new project, a reward asset project. And what they do is that they launch, scale, and trade tokenized restaurant brands, and you can see it right here. And the main bone of contention here, the main thing I'm trying to share here is the 100,000 tasty airdrop campaign, which is live. Okay, so there are four platforms to do that. There's Galxe, Zealy, TaskOn, and the TastyCo platform. And this TastyCo platform is the main airdrop point platform. Okay, so that is where you actually gain more eligibility status, okay, to qualify for this airdrop. So what are the things you need? First, you need a wallet. You can use MetaMask, OKX, Zerion. I recommend Zerion wallet. Okay, so to get Zerion wallet, just go to your browser, search for Zerion wallet, okay, and click on add to Chrome. You'll be able to get it, and I'll share this code with you. You get the trial premium access when you use this code, or if you use the invite link, but that's not a concern. You might decide not to use that. So once you are done, you get your own wallet. All you need to do is to come to the TastyCo platform. I'll provide the link in the description of this video. Okay, so these are the tasks you need to complete: connect your wallet, complete this education quiz, connect your Telegram account. Okay, so in connecting your wallet, once you click on connect wallets, basically this is how it's going to be for you when you get started. Click on connect wallet, you connect your wallet, and you are in. So these other quests will be open to you. You can connect your wallet here, you can complete the keys, and you can also connect Telegram. So the answer to the keys is: what does TastyCo help food brand do? Offer tokens and build community. The verify points is they have a contribution of and eligibility score, and a referral count when the invitee connects a wallet and is active. Okay, so these are the things that you need to do. So what you are doing here is connecting Telegram. After you've done this too, you connect your Telegram, it opens a bot. If you don't have a Telegram account, you need to create one with your phone number. So once you are connected, you are good to go. Just make sure that you complete all the other keys, all the other quests I meant. This is the invites code. You would get that on the quest platform for the Discord if you click on follow Discord. Okay, so if you don't have a Discord account, you will be prompted to to register for one, sign up for one. So once you are done with that, you join the Discord, you come back and claim. So just ensure that you complete all the tasks and claim all the guest points. Okay, these verified points will be very, very important for you. So for referrals, once you click on that referral button, you click on this arrow icon, click on referral button, you enter your username and you click on finish, and you'd be able to share your referral code. You find your referral code right here. Okay, share referral link. You need at least one referral to claim that particular guest on the home page. But the more referrals you get experience points for each milestone that you achieve. Okay, so once you scale all those milestones, make sure you complete all of these. So you can see the verified points right here. You can check the leaderboard to know where you are. Once you click on this, you see your leaderboard. You see these particular options here, they open access to other perks. Okay, so as an enthusiast, you need to attain a level of experience point, that is XP, and XP are verified points. Okay, and this each of them gives you access to a lot of perks. So this particular contributor role gives you access to more weekly quests for you to earn more points. For the enthusiast role, you need at least 1050 experience points and be active for 3 out of the 7 days. 2 days have been missed currently. I'm making this video on Wednesday, if you are seeing it on Wednesday, so we still have like 4 more days to hit this particular requirement. Okay, then for core member, you need 1500 XP and stay active 5 out of the 7 days in a week. That is 5 out of the 7. Okay, so if you miss 2 days, still okay. For the ambassadorial role, you need 2500 points, stay all 7 days active. And for this other one, this is the candidate for ambassador, the main ambassadorial role, you need 4k XP, 10 active and qualified referrals, and you need to be active for 7 days of the week. So if you come here and click on leaderboard, you see the position you are. Currently there are 43,452 participants in this cast with us and my current rank is 5,811th position, and that's just for doing just these basic things. If you're able to complete everything, you would even rank higher. Okay, so there are other ways to actually participate in this, and one of them is the Galxe. So remember, the Quest platform is the main platform. The other platforms are Galxe, TaskOn, and Zealy. So for Galxe, you need to connect your wallet, the same wallets that you created, the Zerion wallet. And if you are using OKX or MetaMask, if you have these wallets before, just go ahead and do that. Okay, so Galxe, you need to connect your X account and your Discord account to verify some of the tasks. You do the task, come back, it checks the task, and you claim points. Okay, so there are specific rewards for those that participate in the Galxe platform, the Galxe campaign. We also have the Zealy campaign. Okay, make sure that when what you are seeing here is TastyCo. Okay, so that is how it works for this one too. You sign up, you can sign up with your wallet, sign up with your email, but in the long run you need to connect your wallets. Okay, connect your X accounts and your Discord account to verify some of those tasks. Once you are done, you come here to claim. That is how it works. Okay, so this is TastyCo. This is actually the cast for the Zealy. So the other one is TaskOn. So the TaskOn is also the same. You connect your wallet to gain access, and you connect your Twitter account, connect your Telegram account, connect your Discord account, for you to be able to participate in this. And at times, some of the projects, some of the tasks will have you invite a friend to the Discord server. All you need to do is to go back to the Discord server that you joined. Okay, and you would see a link right here. If you click on this arrow here, if you click on this icon here, it will open this particular page where you need to put in you would find a link that you share with your friends. And mind you, if you see this link with TastyCo at the back, okay, that is a generic link, that is not your own invite link. So you might need to do some editing, settings, change it to 1 day and what have you. And if you cannot do that, you can just come here and open a ticket. Okay, so if you are joining the server for the first time, you would see this verify button, the verify section here. All the other section might be closed to you until you come here, enter the verified channel, and you click on this check mark, and other options will be open to you. The next thing, you can go to roles. Okay, and once you go to roles, select roles that you want. So what this roles means is that whenever they drop a message on the group and they tag that role, you will get the notification. So you can do other things, GN, general chat, engage with people. Who knows, aside making money from the airdrop, you can also get connection and employment on here. If you are being helpful, the admin can make you a moderator, and who knows where you can go from there. You can even make it a career. So basically, that is how it works. Make sure you participate in all these platforms: Galxe, Zealy, TaskOn, and the main one, which is the Quest platform. Very, very important. Okay, make sure you are active, you keep your daily streaks, you participate in all the Quests. The following week will come, there will be more Quests, and you keep stacking those verified points, and you stand a chance to be part of those who would share the pie, the $100,000 tasty token airdrop pie. All right, if you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I'll drop all the links in the description of this video, so go ahead and use those links. Most of them are referral links. Once you use them, you also help me grow. If you have any contribution, any advice, just drop them in the comment section. Thank you so much, and I hope you stay safe.